Hey bougie click. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today as we explore an amazing recipe that not only tastes fantastic but also supports our health as we age. Today, we're diving into a delicious and nutritious anti-aging dinner recipe that's specifically tailored for women over 40. This meal is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, all of which play a crucial role in helping us maintain that youthful glow and vibrant energy we all desire. Whether you're looking to enhance your overall wellness or simply want to enjoy a delightful dish, this recipe has got you covered. So, grab your aprons, and let's get started on this culinary adventure together. Anti-aging recipe: honey lemon garlic ginger salmon with quinoa and avocado spinach salad. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups baby spinach, 1 avocado, 1 lemon, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated, 1/4 cup honey. Ingredients: count: 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the honey, soy sauce, lemon juice from half the lemon, minced garlic, grated ginger, sesame oil, and red pepper flakes, if using, until well combined. Marinate the salmon. Place the salmon fillets in a shallow dish or a resealable plastic bag. Pour half of the sauce over the salmon, ensuring each fillet is well coated. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Cook the quinoa. While the salmon is marinating, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. Add it to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy. Instructions: count: bake the salmon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place the marinated salmon fillets on it. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Reduce the sauce. While the salmon is baking, pour the remaining sauce into a small saucepan. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes, or until it thickens slightly. Prepare the salad. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of baby spinach with sliced avocado. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil and the juice from the remaining half lemon. Toss everything together gently. Instructions: count: plate the dish. Fluff the cooked quinoa with a fork and divide it between 2 plates. Place a salmon fillet on top of each quinoa bed and add a generous serving of the spinach and avocado salad on the side. Drizzle the reduced sauce over the salmon. And that wraps up today's delicious cooking adventure. I hope you enjoy your meal as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. Remember, this dish is not just tasty, it's packed with nutrients that support healthy aging. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids from the salmon, antioxidants from the spinach, and healthy fats from the avocado makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight in a healthy manner. Eating nutrient-dense foods can play a crucial role in weight management. By choosing meals rich in healthy fats, lean proteins, and fiber, like this one, you can keep your hunger at bay while still giving your body the essential nutrients it craves. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, not only support heart health but can also help reduce inflammation and improve metabolic functions, which are key factors in maintaining a healthy weight. Incorporating vegetables like spinach into your diet provides fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. This can help you avoid overeating and snacking on less healthy options later in the day. The healthy fats from the avocado also contribute to satiety, allowing you to feel satisfied with smaller portions. For those looking to lose weight, recipes like this can be a game changer. They allow you to enjoy flavorful meals without compromising your health goals. Plus, Cooking at home gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to stay on track. I can't wait to hear how it turns out for you. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and share your results in the comments below. Remember, cooking can be both a fun adventure and a pathway to a healthier lifestyle. Happy cooking! What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Stay bougie.